beautiful kings and queens, it's your girl Queen C here. I'm back with another episode. As you can see by the title, this is another sneaker review. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, you comment down below, and you wait, hold up, you not subscribed yet? I know I haven't asked that in a long time, but like, what is you doing? If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's the average spooner should have subscribed sooner, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you 10 seconds, okay? And now that you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notifications of my every time I post a new episode. And now let's get right into the video. So today we will be reviewing some Jordan 11s. And as you can see, I haven't even opened the package that it came in. So this is like a first impression, you guys. Well, usually it's always like first impressions, you know, trying on and stuff like that. But literally like opening the box, I don't think I've ever did that on camera. So here we have the Jordan box, which is black and white, which is so funny because the sneakers are black and white. We have the Jordan logo right here, as well as the sizing in the front, women's 5. That is my size. Nothing special, black paper, the white paper underneath. Everything is black and white. This is how it looks inside of the box. Of course, I'm gonna be showing you guys, you know, close-ups on foot, all of that. You guys know the deal, and wow. So here we have the Women's Air Jordan 11. I've seen about 3 different names for them. I've seen Heritage, Animal Instinct, and I've also seen black and white. So on the sneakers app, when I got them, the name was black and white, so that's what I'm gonna refer to in this episode. So they feature a white midsole and like this black, not black, but this gray, smoky, because it's not all the way gray because it's like some type of clear, so I guess smoky outsole. And on the upper part of the sneaker we have a black suede, and then we have the fur that's like a mixture of prints, because I can honestly say that this is zebra print, but it's giving me cheetah print as well, especially on this side right here. And I can say that Jordan likes to do that every time they release like an animal related sneaker. They always have different prints or different textures, like it's never just one. The only one that I've seen is, I think they're called Black Cat, the Jordan 4s, when it's literally just like all black everything, so there's no different textures, different nothing. It's literally the same. This is actually real fur. It says inside of the sneaker on like this little sticker, the shoe contains real fur, fur type cow leather with hair, and natural shearling. It has the black metal Jumpman on the collar of the sneaker, and then on the back we have some little red details, and also on the tongue of the sneaker, which I think was a great idea to do in red because it ties everything all together. I always point this out, you do have some imperfections on the sneakers, and the only imperfections that I see actually is just the trimming of the fur, which honestly I don't mind. What I can say is that they could have done a teeny wincy bit better over here with the gluing. I'll put in a video so you guys can see a little bit better, because it's not that good when I just show you guys like this. So the left and right are identical when it comes to the colorway of the sneaker, the midsole, the outsole, the upper, all of that stuff. But the actual pattern of the fur on the sneakers are not exactly the same. On the outer side, on the left foot, we have more spots in the front. And on the outer side, on the right foot, you actually have more spots in the middle. I am guessing, I will put the images that I see online on the screen. I am guessing that not every pair is the same, because the pair that I'm looking at on the sneakers app, the pattern is way different than the pattern that's in my hand. So I mean, I guess that's a plus because everyone will have different unique patterns, but of course it will be the same thing because all the materials are the same. So So these sneakers retailed for $225 and they released on Black Friday, which was the 26th of November. The resale price is kind of the same thing. If you go on Go, the pricing of the sneaker is actually the same or just a little bit more. I have a size 5, I have a size women's 5, and the price for them is $234. And the reselling price is $225. So if you want these sneakers, I suggest go get them because the reselling price is not that high. Now if we check on StockX, a size 5 women's is actually $219, which is $6 less than I paid retail price. Wow. And a size 6 is $198. You may not get them for retail price because of the shipping and all of those taxes that StockX and GOAT like to do, but honestly, same price as retail. You're not hurting your pockets, you're not. Now these fit to a T on me, so what I would say is it runs true to size. However, if you do get a size up, like a half size up, it wouldn't be much of a difference. I feel like if you like room in your sneakers and you want to, you know, feel comfortable, you like your feet to breathe and stuff like that, do go half a size up. But you know, if you want your sneakers to fit to a T like this one does on me, like I know my feet wouldn't hurt, but I do know that it's like fitted, that's like this ain't going nowhere. If I need to take these off, I can't, like, you know, do that little motion where I put one foot behind the other and take it off. No, I'm gonna have to untie these and take it off. So I would say true to size or a half size bigger. But would I say that they're worth $225? Now I would say yes, because of the fact that it's made out of real fur and it has suede on the sneakers, and it also comes with a metal Jumpman. Well, that doesn't really add to the price, but like it could, because you know, typically Jordans don't have the metal Jumpman. So yes, because of that, and also yes, because it's not a typical Jordan that, you know, somebody would have. It's not something like, you know, I need to go buy me a pair of Jordans, I'm gonna go get these, you know what I mean? So, but I would say no, only because $225 for Jordans, I would say they could have just kept the price at $185. If I'm being real, they could have. But again, because of the real fur and the fact that it is Jordan 11s and that it's holiday season and all of that, of course they're gonna bump up the price to $225. So with that being all said, what do you guys think about these pair of Jordans? Do you guys like them? Do you guys think that they're ugly? Do you guys think that it's worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. I personally love them because of the suede, the black suede. I'm obsessed with this black suede. I don't know why. I think black suede is just so powerful. And I just love the black suede part. Yeah, but let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. But make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Why? Because it's the average spooner. Should subscribe sooner, and make sure you hit that notification bell to get notifications of my every time I post a new episode. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.
Rock with that.